Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cashflow Critic, and today we're gonna do a deep dive into YouTube secrets. The first thing when making a YouTube channel is courage. Now, the 7 C's, just to give you guys a brief little overview of everything, is courage, clarity, channel, content, community, consistency. Now, the biggest thing I've learned so far from this book is just to punch fear in the face. You know, your first few videos on YouTube are not going to be great, as you can tell. This video is not that great. Probably the next 20-25 videos won't be that great. And as you guys can tell, the last video, not very great. So it's a process. It's like, I guess, working out. You don't start very well, but you just got to get better at it. So guys, just bear in mind, anything you do, you won't be good all at once. It's gonna take some time. The second biggest thing is clarity. Now, in anything in life, you gotta have a roadmap, you gotta have a plan as to how you're gonna succeed. If you're gonna go somewhere and you don't have a map, you don't have directions, or like maybe 20, 30 years ago, you don't have GPS on your phone, you're gonna get freaking lost. I know I would have, and lots of people. Even my photographer would have, I'm sure of it. Anyways, we gotta cut it out, right? So, moving on, you need a roadmap, you need a plan. The best thing to do is reverse engineer your success. So start from where you wanna be and just plan the way back to the beginning. I see a lot of people these days, or a lot of kids, even adults too, they wanna be like a doctor, lawyer, pharmacist, even like an engineer. These nice looking, nice sounding jobs, and they have no idea what it's like to even spend a day in the shoes of somebody who's actually an engineer. The best way to do something, or to figure out what you want to do with your life, is to meet somebody who has the results that you want and just go talk to them. You know, so that means I'm gonna go talk to Mr. Beast one day and be like, hey, how do I become a YouTuber? Gonna help me, right? All right, the third biggest thing, guys, on your journey to become a YouTuber, or just to learn how to make some money off of YouTube, is to build a channel. This is the about page, the page art, the YouTube profile, and probably like your profile photo. And there's a few other things you can do as well, but this is kind of pretty straightforward. You come up with a logo, you come up with some interesting stuff that can really help you to get this done. All right, guys, next thing is content. Now, I guarantee when you just start out, your content probably won't be that good, but for every social media platform, you need to have good content. Over time, you build step by step, take one step, and eventually you get there where you have good, nice content that's really for every social media platform. I think your content determines the people that you will attract. For us, you know, at Cashflow Critic, we are solely focused on business, investing, real estate, and helping you guys to build passive income streams. And me, myself, and I, all three of us, will be experimenting, going on the journey to try and help you guys take that first step. Because the journey of 1,000 steps begins with just one. So you gotta take that first step and do it, all right? All right, so the fifth thing is community. Now, I think if you wanna learn any skill, if you wanna do good at anything, and I think I regret not doing this, especially when I was dealing with some personal issues and not really achieving the heights I was supposed to achieve, I think you need to have a community. Not necessarily your family, not even necessarily like your friends that you knew since maybe prep school or high school. People who understand the grind or the mission that you're about to go on and who can support you through it. I think this is so important. A lot of times we quit things because we get a lot of negative chatter from people, and they're just telling us what they think, they're being honest, but they don't have the same vision you have, they don't have the same motivation you have. I definitely say to find like-minded people that can steer in the right direction and still be honest and realistic with you, and listen to those people, or whatever God you serve, just look for guidance from them. For myself, it's God, Christianity and everything, and Jesus. Love Jesus. So definitely, guys, just be careful who you take your advice from, and be really careful on giving up on yourself, because you can do anything you put your mind to. Yeah. All right, so guys, the last secret about YouTube, or just about succeeding with anything in life, is consistency. I think I've heard my parents, my friends, everybody I can think of, family members, this is a huge problem that we all have. Even myself, I used to practice a lot of football, and I'm making gains, getting better. After a couple weeks, and third, fourth week, I'm done. I completely start practicing and I'm back down to zero. There's this crazy thing called momentum, guys, and you have to be consistent to build momentum. Without consistency, you will probably make strides in something, but eventually you're gonna fall off. And sometimes when you fall off really bad, it's gonna just crush you. So that happened to me. I know I've failed so many things I've tried because I haven't been consistent. So the biggest thing I can say to you guys is to be consistent. It pays off, trust me. In this new phase of my life, I am trying a lot harder to be consistent. And I think I'm doing a lot better. This YouTube channel is one of those things that's gonna help me to be consistent. But guys, don't pressure yourself to do this all at once. Just do one small thing. For me, it was working out. Then I was like, okay, let me eat right. Then I was like, okay, let me start meditating. And I was like, all right, I'm actually doing stuff on a regular basis that makes me feel like I'm a winner. And that's where you earn your own self-respect. That's where you get consistent. And like I said earlier, or did I say it? The journey of 1,000 steps begins with just one. And if you fail, it's okay. Just restart and go again, because you can do it. And that's it. The 7 secrets that can help you to build a YouTube channel, or just about any other business that you can think of. Courage, clarity, build a channel or build a business, who knows. Content, community, cash, develop a cash flow for your business or YouTube channel, and consistency. These things, I think, if applied in the right way to anything that you're doing, is going to pay off massively, all right? So go out there, build, keep trying, fail forward, and remember, Darnell motivated you. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions for me, if there's anything you want me to maybe talk about in my next video, or any income stream that you want me to investigate or learn about so I can teach it back to you, please put it in the comment section below, all right? Thank you guys for tuning in, all right?